3-in-1 wireless charging set. Okay, so we're going to unbox this one. This is from ESR. This is designed, it says it's designed for MagSafe, and I don't know why it has this US sticker here. I guess they have different one for Europe and Asia, but I'm kind of interested on this one. I found this on, I'm looking on Amazon for like unique text and stuff. The good thing about this one is, or what I'm interested about is how this one is, this one is really compact while it's cuckoo 3-in-1 wireless charging right here. What I hate about this, we're gonna test this out with this one as well later on. Also, don't mind the like how dirty it is this keeps falling off. So we're gonna test this out on how well this is and how compact this is. Anyways, I gotta stop talking. Let's unbox this one. Okay, so power multiple adapter, power and snap, removable watch charger. Oh yeah, that one you can remove, which is good. I like that. Portrait and landscape. Yeah, I mean, you can always do that with any cheapo stuff. And what else is saying here? What do I need to say? Power your tech, protect the environment. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's open it. Okay, become a super user. There's a QR code inside. Pretty neat. I like that. Box is simple. Packaging and all that. Not bad. There's a styrofoam on top. Let's take it out. Okay, I like that. There's another QR code right here. You can scan the QR code to scan to watch a quick setup video. We're gonna do that. It says not found. Can you guys see that? 404 not found. Not the greatest start, but we're gonna continue anyways. There's a QR code. ESR, you gotta fix this QR code right here. Anyways, I digress. Okay, QR code not working. This is the instructions manual. Okay, so there's a good picture right here, especially for people who don't have any time on reading the instructions manual. So right here, 1, 2, 3. Pretty simple, pretty explanatory. There's English, all kinds of languages right here. Okay, and you have one box right here. Portable fast charger for Apple Watch. Okay, it's the Apple Watch. Very interesting that they put it in a separate box inside the box. Okay, I like that. Let's open this up. There's an arrow on the side, so I guess you're gonna be pulling. Okay, let's pull. Okay, yeah, wow, pretty neat. I like that packaging. Seriously. Okay, so become a super user. Another QR code. We're not gonna do that QR code right now. Okay, and I like that it also has all these instructions on how to do it. Oh wow, very, very interesting. You can, so the reason why this is detachable is you can plug this in. I'm assuming it's USB-C. It does show here, you can plug this in on your laptop. Pretty good. I'll access up. Here's how it looks like. Pretty small. Almost looks like half of a remote, or like a small remote, like this remote right here of my this freaking gadget and/or gadget. Almost the same size. It's really funny. There's another QR code right here. Oh my god, so many QR codes. Yes, it's USB-C. You guys can see USB-C right here, and there's a cap. Oh, okay, it's magnetic cap. Pretty good. So here's the main event right here. There's one more box, but we're gonna open this later. I'm pretty sure this is the cable. This away. There we go. Take this out. Oh. Okay. This is pretty compact. I like it. I like the quality is pretty premium. Feels very premium actually. Now look at the size difference. If this is taller, I don't mind that. This is shorter, but this takes up less space compared to this. Look at that. And the good thing about this one is theoretically I won't be worried about falling. I mean the Apple Watch falling, because this is behind it and I don't need the watch to be in the side, looking at the watch. I usually put my phone on landscape, watch a YouTube video or something, to fall asleep and doze off and all that. But this is pretty good. I like that. And it's in USB-C. Let's open this one up right here. Okay. Oh wow, okay. Different type of design right here. It has this USB-C with a metal plating inside. Almost like Apple design, the 5 volts thing. But, pretty good. I like that. Another USB-C cables. Pretty long. Much appreciated, because I'm going to put this on the nightstand. If you're going to put this on the nightstand sometimes, you need a longer cable for that. So, we're going to test this out. Here. And since I want to compare this. I'm also gonna plug this in just for apples and apples comparison. This has shorter cable. All right, first off, the Apple Watch test. This one, every time I have, where's my phone? This charges. But since I have this, thing right here, it makes everything like snap and like really, really strong. So I have to remove this. Problem with this one is this easily falls off. See, this can fall off right away. So now I want to see how much this still has the plastic right here. So I just want to see how good of a suction this is. Wow, it's not falling off. And that still has a sticker in there, the QR code sticker in the plastic. See? There, finally it fell off. Let's remove this sticker. Put this back. Oh wow, this is pretty strong. That's a strong magnet right there. See? Okay, not the best example, but you get what I mean. See? Put it here, back here. Just falls off. Oh my god. So yeah, that's why I hate this so much. This one is not bad. Yep, that's pretty good. It still has the plastic on it. And then the phone. Ooh. Oh, it does have a sound as well, which is good. Oh yeah, and before that, I gotta get my AirPods. I'll be right back. Here we go. All right, so let's put AirPods right here. Gotta take this out. Here you go. So all in all, we're gonna put everything in one place. That's pretty compact. I like that. Wow. Yeah, and looks really premium. And the light here, the power indicator right here, is not too glaring, especially at night. So I like this one. Where this one, I'm gonna show it to you. It's freaking annoying with that. You can already see the light indicator right here, the LED all over the place. And when you're trying to sleep, that's annoying as hell. See the difference. Look at the difference right here. And sometimes I miss the spot on this my AirPods, and then the next day I don't have batteries in this one. Then you know I'll be grumpy going to work and stuff. So this one pretty good. I like that. Wow. So ESR, this ESR 3-in-1, I think I like this one, especially for I think $60, but I think it's on sale right now. I may be wrong, but at the time of the recording. So pretty good. I like this one. I think this is a keeper, especially for unique Amazon tech and all that. Anyways, that's it for now. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm gonna put the affiliate links down below if you guys want to get this. But this is Lars, and I'll see you in the next video.